Recently, there's been a trend of image generation using AI. I'm not too familiar with it because I don't really use it to create images. This is from the Forbes article. The AI generated Studio Ghibli trend explained. Um, the launch of OpenAI's new image generator powered by GPT 40 has flooded the internet with Studio Ghibli inspired images in a trend that ironically goes directly against the ethos of Studio Ghibli. Animator Hayao Miyazaki, co-founder of Japanese animation house Studio Ghibli, famously delivered a passionate condemnation of the AI that is often quoted by critics of the technology. Now, Ghibli's house style, or at least an imitation of it, is available as a generative filter, and social media timelines have been flooded with uh, wide-eyed selfies and ironic photographs transformed into anime images. Uh, After they released a new image generator, users quickly realized that it could deliver high-quality images with relatively unrestricted copyright filters. Wonky fingers and weird background details are still present, but less so, making it harder to distinguish AI images from the real thing. The users experimented with different cartoon styles such as South Park, Rick and Morty, and The Simpsons, but Studio Ghibli proved the most popular, trending on X. Some people have been commenting on, I haven't read it fully, but have been commenting on how this gets people speaking about copyright issues. Um, Although they changed it enough and it's very similar to things that have been copyrighted, but it isn't um, copyrighted material. So that gets the conversation going. But we've seen um, people do that all the time, whether it's supermarkets, whether it's um, any other people, whether it's companies. They change it just enough so they don't have to get in trouble with the copyright. Like we see things like in Aldi and whatever else. They they change it well enough to not have to get sued or whatever. And you see, like here, technically, I don't think, as far as I'm aware, if I'm incorrect, then let me know. No copyright infringements have been happening. The images imitate something that looks similar to it, but it's not the image itself, and it's not copyrighted material. But I'm not aware of it because it's gone trending, so I thought I'd speak about it. Um, I've not used it. I don't really use things to create images or whatever. But I did want to speak about the copyright thing. Um, but I guess going forward, there'll be more laws, more clear cut um, guidelines to help people decide if something is copyright or not. Even if perhaps in the future there might be things where even if it looks a certain amount, let's say 80% like something else, then you can't or something. I don't know, but at the moment it's not copyrighted material, so people aren't doing anything wrong by creating these images.